Dear students, welcome to your maths class. As we always do at school, you should write down all the definitions given in the class and also do all the problems as you hear the questions together with me. In the last chapter, continuity and differentiability, you have learned how to find derivatives of various functions. In this chapter, applications of derivatives, we will be studying how to apply derivatives to find rate of change of quantities, to find equations of tangents and normals to a curve at a particular point, to find the intervals in which a function is increasing or decreasing, to find approximate values of functions, and also to find the turning points in the graph of a function. In this first section of applications of derivatives, we will be dealing with rate of change of quantities, which is the physical significance of derivatives. As we know, writing ds by dt means rate of change of distance s with respect to time t. Similarly, if y equal to f of x, dy by d of x denote rate of change of y with respect to x, and dy by d of x at the point x equal to x naught denote rate of change of y with respect to x at the point x naught. Further, if x and y are functions written in the parametric form, that is, if x and y are functions in t, then dy by d of x can be computed using the formula dy by d of x is equal to dy by dt into dt by d of x, provided dx by dt not equal to 0, which is actually our chain rule. So if x and y are functions in t, then dy by d of x is dy by dt into dt by d of x, where dx by dt not equal to 0. So now in the first section, we are going to apply this to find rate of change of quantities. We will be dealing with questions where we will be finding rate of change of area with respect to radius or with respect to time, how the volume of surface area changes with respect to time, and so on. So we will now move on to exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius when radius are equal to 3 centimeter. Let A be the area of the given circle. According to the question, you have to calculate rate of change of area with respect to the radius. So we have to compute dA by dr. You know that area of a circle can be computed using the formula pi r square. So the question now changes to finding derivative of pi r square with respect to the radius r. We know that pi is a constant, so this is pi into derivative of r square with respect to r, which is pi into 2r. Now, the question is to find the rate of change of area when radius is 3 centimeter. That means you have to compute dA by dr when r equal to 3 centimeter. So, this is equal to pi into 2 into 3. In the place of this r, you have to substitute 3. So, this is equal to 6 pi, and rate of change of area with respect to radius. Unit for area, centimeter square. Unit for radius, centimeter. So the final answer will be 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. So rate of change of area of the circle with respect to radius r when radius is 3 centimeters, 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Now the second question. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Let edge of the cube be a centimeter. According to the question, we are given that volume, rate of change of volume with respect to time is 8 centimeter cube per second, where V denotes the volume of the cube. Formula to find volume of cube is a cube. So given rate of change of volume with respect to time t is 8 centimeter cube per second. From this step, we can apply chain rule here. This is derivative of a cube with respect to a into dA by dt equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. Differentiating a cube with respect to a, 3a square into dA by dt equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. This implies dA by dt is equal to 8 by 3a square. Keep that there. According to the question, we need to find rate of change of surface area with respect to time when edge is 12 centimeter. This is what we are supposed to compute. Surface area of cube is computed using the formula 6a square. So, rate of change of surface area with respect to time is derivative of 6a square with respect to a into dA by dt using chain rule. This is equal to 6 is a constant, derivative of a square 2a into dA by dt. This is equal to 12a into, instead of dA by dt, from this step you can substitute that 8 by 3a square. Doing the simplifications, we have 32 by a. Now, rate of change of surface area with respect to time t at a equal to 12 is 32 by 12. Unit for surface area, centimeter square, and unit for time, seconds. So, this on simplification is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Hence, the rate of change of surface area of a cube, of the given cube, when edge is 12 centimeter with respect to time t is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. So, what we are doing first is, we differentiate volume with respect to time using chain rule, find dA by dt from that. Again, we are coming to the question, we are differentiating surface area with respect to time again by using chain rule. Substitute for dA by dt from this step. After simplification, you will be getting 32 by a. Now, in order to conclude the answer, you have to substitute 12 in the place of this a, and on simplification, the final answer is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. The radius, question number 3. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when radius is 10 centimeter. So, let A be the area of the circle. In the given question, it is given that radius is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. That means rate of change of radius with respect to time is 3 centimeter. We are to find rate of change of area with respect to time. As you know, formula for area of a circle is pi r square. So, differentiating pi r square, we have to differentiate pi r square with respect to t. According to chain rule, you can write this as derivative of pi r square by dr into dr by dt. Differentiating pi is a constant. Differentiating r square with respect to r, you have 2r into, instead of dr by dt, from this step you can substitute 3. So, this will be 6 pi r. Now, the question, according to the question, you have to find rate of change of area with respect to time when radius is 10 centimeter. So, dA by dt when r equal to 10 centimeters, 6 into pi into 10, which is equal to 60 pi. Now, unit for area, centimeter square, unit for time, seconds. So, the final answer is 60 pi centimeter square per second. So, the question was to differentiate area with respect to time or find rate of change of area with respect to time. Area is given by the formula pi r square. You will be doing this like derivative of pi r square with respect to r into dr by dt. Dr by dt is given in the question. Also, at the final step, substitute 10 in the place of r. Write the unit centimeter square per second, and we have the answer as 60 pi centimeter square per second. Next, question number 4. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? Let V be the volume of a given cube with edge a centimeter. According to the question, we are given that rate of change of edge with respect to time is 3 centimeter per second. So, dA by dt is 3 centimeter per second. The question is to calculate the rate of change of volume with respect to time when edge is 10 centimeter. So rate of change of volume with respect to time when A equal to 10 is what we have to calculate. Now, volume of a cube is given by the formula A cube. So, dV by dt is derivative of V with respect to A into dA by dt. Substituting for V, derivative of A cube with respect to edge J into dA by dt. Differentiating A cube with respect to A, we are getting 3A square into dA by dt. This is 3A square into, instead of dA by dt, from the given condition you can substitute this 3. So this is 9A square. Now concluding, derivative of or the rate of change of volume with respect to time t when edge is 10 centimeters, 9 into 10 square, which is 900. Now unit for volume centimeter cube, unit for time seconds. Hence the rate of change of volume of the cube with respect to time t when edge is 10 centimeters, 900 centimeter cube per second. Don't forget to write the unit. Next question. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? So, rate of change of radius with respect to time is given as 5 centimeter per second. The waves are moving, that means the radius is changing. Let area of the circle be capital A and let R be the radius of the circle. According to the given question, rate of change of radius with respect to time is 5 centimeter per second. The question is to find the rate of change of area with respect to time when radius is 8 centimeter. Now, dA by dt is derivative of area of the circle pi r square with respect to time, which is derivative of pi r square with respect to radius into dr by dt, which is pi into 2r, differentiating pi r square with respect to r, into dr by dt, which is 2 pi r into, in the place of dr by dt, you can give this 5. Therefore, dA by dt is 10 pi r. Rate of change of area with respect to time when radius is 8 centimeters, 10 into pi into 8. Substitute 8 in the place of r. So this is 80 pi unit centimeter square per second. So when the radius moves at the speed of 5 centimeter per second, at r equal to 8, area is changing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square per second. Next question. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Let circumference of the circle be P. According to the question, we are given that radius is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. So, rate of change of radius with respect to time is 0.7 centimeter per second. We have to find rate of change of circumference with respect to time. We have denoted the circumference as P. Now, formula to find circumference is 2 pi r. So, this is the derivative of 2 pi r with respect to t. This is derivative of 2 pi r with respect to r into dr by dt. Differentiating, 2 pi is a constant, derivative of r is 1. So, derivative of 2 pi r is 2 pi into dr by dt. This is 2 pi into, in the place of dr by dt, I can substitute 0.7. Hence, rate of change of circumference with respect to time is 1.4 pi, unit for circumference centimeter, unit for time seconds. So the answer is 1.4 pi centimeter per second, or circumference is changing at the rate of 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Next question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, find the rates of change of the perimeter and in the next part the rate of change of area of the rectangle. So let's pass on to the first part. We will discuss the rate of change of perimeter of the rectangle with respect to time. Let the perimeter of the rectangle be denoted using P. Now going back to the question, it is given that length is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. So rate of change of length x with respect to time t is negative 5 centimeter per minute. Since the rate is decreasing, we have to use this negative sign. In the next step, it is given that the width is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. So dy by dt, rate of change of width with respect to time is 4 centimeter per minute. The question is to compute rate of change of perimeter with respect to time when x is 8 and y equal to 6 centimeter. As you know, the formula to find perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So derivative of 2 times x plus y with respect to t is 2 times derivative of x plus y with respect to t. 2 into derivative of x with respect to time t plus derivative of y with respect to time t. This is 2 times. In the place of dx by dt, you have to substitute this minus 5 plus in the place of dy by dt, you have to substitute 4. So this is 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. Hence, rate of change of perimeter with respect to time is minus 2, unit for perimeter centimeter and unit for time as it is given minute. So rate of change of perimeter with respect to time is minus 2 centimeter per minute, or the perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Let A be the area of the rectangle given dx by dt is minus 5 centimeter per minute and dy by dt is 4 centimeter per minute. We need to find rate of change of area of the rectangle with respect to time. As you know, formula to find area of rectangle is length and breadth, length x and breadth y. So derivative of xy with respect to t. This is computed using product formula of derivative. So this is x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Hence dA by dt is equal to x into, in the place of dy by dt you can substitute 4 plus y into, in the place of dx by dt you can substitute negative 5. So this is 4x minus 5y. Therefore, rate of change of area with respect to time when x is 8 and y equal to 6. As given in the question, when x is 8 and y is 6, rate of change of area is 4 into 8 minus 5 into 6, which is 32 minus 30, which is 2. Unit for area centimeter square, unit for time is minutes. So rate of change of area with respect to time when length is 8 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter is 2 centimeter square per minute, or the area is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute.